You need to watch this if you struggle with mold. Say goodbye to those pesky spores with non-toxic DIY tips. Mold loves to party in humid spots like your basement, kitchen, and bathroom. But don't worry, you don't need harsh chemicals to kick it out. Let's start with vinegar. This kitchen staple isn't just for salads. It's a superstar mold buster. Spray it undiluted on the mold, let it sit, then wipe clean. Next up, baking soda. Mix it with water, scrub the moldy area, and watch the magic happen. It's like mold never even RSVP'd. And don't forget tea tree oil. This spider deterrent also sends mold packing with its antifungal properties. Just remember to wear gloves. It can be a bit harsh on the skin. Finally, grapefruit seed extract. It disrupts mold spore formation. Spray a diluted mix on the mold, and voila! Mold be gone. So ditch the chemicals and go natural. Your lungs and nose will thank you.